Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this video what I'm gonna talking about is map method. As you know, what map method does is go to each of the elements of the array and do a function to it. So yeah, in this case it's the typed array, so it's no different. So what we're gonna do is create a const. After that, what we're gonna do is uint, name it as a uint8 equals a new uint8 array, and then what we're gonna do is pass an array of squares like 36, 25 will be 5, and 49. So imagine a case you want each of them to be square rooted. So but for that, what we're gonna need to do is very hard. The hard coded way is like this: uint 8 0 and find the square root by mathematical formula like this one, math dot sqrt, and pass every one of them like and x, and then again we need to put it in the for loop for, and inside that like let x in uint. It would be big pain, like doing like this, x like this, and then we need to use the function of math like that. So this will be a big pain. So we have a solution by doing create a root, and then uint map dot sqrt, and then log it on a console roots. So what it does is go to the each of the elements and find a square root of that and return to these roots, and then after what we are doing is getting that in the roots by logging on the console. So 5, 6, 7. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.